My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called torpedo pots. Well, all you do is take your plants and your seeds, put them in the planter, and let them grow your food for you. All you do is put your seeds in and put your plants in, and it grows it for you. All I do is put my seeds and my plants in this torpedo pot, and it grows, and I don't have to grow my food anymore. I don't have to grow my plants anymore. It grows it so well. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedo Pots. There's approximately 30 planters that are growing in each planter 70 pea seeds, and each planter will generate between 300 to 250 pods. Almost all of you probably have never seen a food grown successfully before in your life. Torpedo pot. Well, we grow your food for you, so you'll never have to worry about it again in your life. And there's so much of it. Enough to go around for everyone. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. The whole goal behind the torpedo pot, creating the torpedo pot, was to allow you and your family to experience the wealth there is and the beauty that there is in growing food.